Hey chance of Examsnet, welcome to the question series of Examsnet. I hope this series of detailed explanation is helping you a lot. Let's start this session. Here is a question. The common roots of the equation z cube plus 2z square plus 2z plus 1 is equals to 0 and z to the power 2017 plus z to the power 2018 plus 1 is equals to 0 are. We are given two equations here and we have to find the common roots for both this equation. So the given equation is z cube plus 2z square plus 2z plus 1 is equals to 0. It can be written as z plus 1 into z square minus z plus 1 plus 2z into z plus 1 is equals to 0. Further it will be z plus 1 into z square plus z plus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore we can say that z is equals to minus 1 and omega square. Clearly omega and omega square will satisfy the equation z to the power 2017 plus z to the power 2018 plus 1 is equals to 0. So the correct option for this question is option number D. These are the roots of the equation and the roots are common for both the equation. Next question is, if C modulus 20 n plus 2 is equal to C modulus 20 n minus 2, then what is n equal to? It is a question from permutations and combinations and we have to find the value for n here. This type of questions comes in exam every year. So it is given that C20 comma n plus 2. It can be written as Cn plus 2 is equals to 20 C n minus 2. So on further solving it will be 20 is equals to n plus 2 plus n minus 2, which gives 2n is equals to 20 and n is equals to 10. So the correct value of n here is 10, which is option number B. See, these are very simple questions. Next question is, there are 10 points in a plane. No, 3 of these points are in a straight line. What is the total number of straight lines which can be formed by joining the points? This question is a combination of straight line and combinations and permutations. We know that total number of straight lines which can be formed by joining the given 10 points will be, total number of point is 10 and it will be 10C2. So 10C2 will be equals to 10 into 9 upon 1 into 2. It will be 45. So the correct option for this question is 45 and the total number of straight lines is 45. Therefore correct option is B. Next question is the equation px square plus qx plus r is equals to 0, where p, q and r are all positive, has distinct real roots a and b. Which one of the following is correct? It is given in the question that a and b are the distinct real roots. Therefore, sum of roots will be equals to minus q upon p, and it means that a plus b will be less than 0 because it is a negative sign. Let this be equation number 1. Similarly, product of roots will be equals to r upon p. So we can say that AB will be greater than 0 as its value will be positive. Let this be equation number 2. Now from equation 1st and 2nd we can say that A will be less than 0 and B will be also less than 0. So this is the correct statement for the given question. So the correct option is option number B, A less than 0 and B less than 0. Now moving on to the next question. Next question is, if A is equals to lambda comma mu, this is a set, then the power set of A is, it is a very simple question. It comes from the topic sets and we have to find the power set of A. So we know that power set of A means all the elements of A. Therefore, power set of A will be equal to, there is an element which is present in every set, which is 5. 5 means empty set. Then the values will be lambda. Then it will be lambda and mu. Then further it will be lambda and mu. So this is the power set of the given set A. So the correct option for this question is option number B. I hope it is clear to you. Very simple questions. Next question is, what is the value for sine 34 into cos 236 minus sine 56 into sine 124 upon cos 28 into cos 88 plus cos 178 into sine 208. We have to just find the value for the given trigonometric expression. Now this can be further written as minus sine 34 cos 56 minus sine 56 cos 34 upon cos 28 sine 2 plus cos 2 sine 28. So on further solving, it can be written as, see, we will use the formula for sine A plus B. We know that sine A plus B is sine A cos B minus sine B cos A. Therefore, it will be equals to sine A plus B means 34 plus 56. Similarly, denominator will be sine 28 plus 2. And there is a negative sign also here. So, it will be negative. So, the answer will be minus 2. So, this is the value of the given trigonometric expression. So, the correct option is option number A. Next question is, tan 54 degree can be expressed as, the given term is tan 54 degree. We know that tan theta is equals to, it can be written as tan 45 plus 9. So further it will be 1 plus tan 9 upon 1 minus tan 9. Therefore, tan 54 degree will be equals to cos 9 plus sin 9 upon, see that this is the numerator part and now we have to see the denominator part. Denominator will be cos 9 minus sin 9. So this is the value for the given term. So the correct option is option number C. I hope all these questions are clear to you. Next question is, consider the following for the next 3 items. If P is equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta, Q is equals to x sin theta plus y cos theta, and P square plus 4PQ plus Q square is equals to AX square plus BY square, where theta lies between 0 and pi by 2. What is the value of theta? It is a question from trigonometric expressions and we have to find the value of theta here. So let this be equation number 1. This can be written as p square plus 4pq plus q square is equals to x square cos square theta plus y square sin square theta minus 2xy cos theta sin theta plus x square sin square theta plus y square cos square theta plus 2xy sin theta into cos theta plus 4 into x cos theta minus y sin theta into x sin theta plus y cos theta. We have just put the values according to the conditions which is given in the question. So further it will be x square plus y square plus 4 into x square sin theta cos theta plus xy cos square theta minus xy sin square theta minus y square sin theta into cos theta. On further solving, it will be equals to x square plus y square plus 4 into x square minus y square into sin 2 theta upon 2 plus xy cos 2 theta, which will be equals to x square plus y square plus 2 into x square minus y square into sin 2 theta plus 4xy cos 2 theta. Let this be equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 we have cos 2 theta is equals to 0. Therefore theta is equals to pi by 4. Therefore x square plus y square plus 2 into x square minus y square will be equals to ax square plus by square. So it will be equals to 3x square minus y square is equals to ax square plus by square. So from here we can say that a is equals to 3 and b is equals to minus 1 on comparing both the sides. Therefore the correct option for this question will be theta is equals to pi by 4. So correct option is option number C. Next part of this question is, see the directions are same, but here we have to find the value for A. From the previous question, we have a value which is p square plus 4pq plus q square is equals to x square plus y square plus 2 into x square minus y square into sin 2 theta plus 4xy cos 2 theta. We have found this in the previous question. And this is the given equation which is in the question. So let this be equation number 1 and let this be equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 again we can say that cos 2 theta is equals to 0. We have already solved it. Theta is equals to pi by 4. And now x square plus y square plus 2 into x square minus y square is equals to ax square plus by square. So putting the values again here, we will get the same terms. So from here we will get the value of a as 3. Therefore the correct option for this question is option number B, which is 3. Next part of the question is what is the value of B? We already know that we have found the values of A and B in the first part of this question, and the value of B was -1, so we can directly take the answer. I hope you get it. Next question is consider the following for the next two items. It is given that cos of theta minus alpha is equals to A and cos of theta minus beta is equals to B. What is cos alpha minus beta equals to? We have to find the value for cos alpha minus beta. Cos alpha minus beta will be equals to cos theta minus beta minus theta minus alpha, which will be cos theta minus beta into cos theta minus alpha plus sin theta minus beta into sin theta minus alpha. We know that sin theta minus alpha is equals to under root of 1 minus a square. Sin of theta minus alpha is equals to under root of 1 minus a square, and sin of theta minus beta is equals to under root of 1 minus b square. So putting the values here, we will get cos alpha minus beta is equals to ab plus under root 1 minus a square into under root 1 minus b square. So this is the correct value for cos alpha minus beta. Therefore the correct option for this question is option number A. Next part of the question is what is sine square alpha minus beta plus 2ab cos alpha plus beta equals to? It can be written as 1 minus cos square alpha minus beta. We know that sine theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta. So sine square theta will be equals to 1 minus cos square theta plus 2ab cos alpha plus beta. On further solving, it will be equals to 1 minus cos alpha minus beta and cos alpha minus beta minus 2ab, which will be equals to 1 minus cos alpha minus beta into under root of 1 minus a square under root of 1 minus b square minus ab. On further solving, we will get 1 minus under root of 1 minus a square into under root of 1 minus b square plus ab into under root of 1 minus a square into under root of 1 minus b square minus ab on further solving. So the next step will be 1 minus a whole square 1 minus b whole square minus a square b square, which will be 1 minus a square minus b square plus a square b square minus a square b square. So the remaining term will be a square plus b square. Therefore sine square alpha minus beta plus 2ab cos alpha minus beta is equals to a square plus b square 1 minus a square in under root. So we can say that the value for the given expression is a square plus b square. Therefore the correct option is option number A. Next question is, if sine alpha plus cos alpha is equals to p, then what is cos square 2 alpha equal to? We have to find the value of cos square 2 alpha. Sine alpha plus cos alpha is equals to p. It is given in the question. Squaring on both the sides, it will be sine alpha plus cos alpha square is equals to p square. It can be written as 1 plus sine 2 alpha is equals to p square. Sine 2 alpha is equals to p square minus 1, and we can write sine 2 alpha as cos square 2 alpha is equals to 1 minus sine square 2 alpha. Therefore, the step will be 1 minus p square minus 1 whole square, which gives 1 minus p to the power 4 minus 2p square plus 1, which is equals to 2p square minus p to the power 4, which can be also written as, taking p square common, it will be 2 minus p square. So this is the correct value of cos square 2 alpha. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option number C. Next question is, what is the value of sine inverse 4 by 5 plus sec inverse 5 by 4 minus pi by 2? This is a question from trigonometric expressions, and we have to find the value for the given expression. So it can be written as sine inverse 4 by 5 plus sec inverse can be written as cos inverse 4 by 5 minus pi by 2, which will be equals to pi by 2 minus pi by 2, which gives 0. So the value of this expression is 0. Therefore the correct option is option number D. See, you can see that very simple questions are coming here. Next question is, if sine inverse 2p upon 1 plus p square minus cos inverse 1 minus q square upon 1 plus q square is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, then what is x equal to? The expression is given and we have to find the value for x. So this expression can be further written as 2 tan inverse p minus 2 tan inverse q is equals to 2 tan inverse x. So we know that tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse p minus q upon 1 plus pq. Therefore, from here x will be equals to p minus q upon 1 plus p into q. So this is the correct value of x for the given expression. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option number B. Next question is, if tan theta is equals to 1 by 2 and tan phi is equals to 1 by 3, then what is the value of theta plus phi? Again, the question is from trigonometric expressions. and it is a very simple question. We have to find the value for tan theta plus phi. We know the formula for tan A plus B. It is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Here A is equals to theta and B is equals to phi. So on putting the values, we will get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, which is equals to 1. Therefore, we can say that the value for theta plus phi is equals to 1, or we can say that it is equals to pi by 4. So the correct option for this question is option number C, which is pi by 4. Next question is, if cos A is equals to 3 by 4, then what is the value of sin A by 2 into sin 3A by 2? It is given that cos A is equals to 3 by 4 and we have to find the value for sin A by 2 into sin 3A by 2. This expression can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 sin A by 2 into sin 3A by 2. On further solving, it will be equals to 1 by 2 into cos A minus cos 2A, which is equals to 1 by 2 cos A minus 2 cos square A plus 1. What we are doing is we are just substituting the values here. It will be equals to 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 minus 2 into 9 by 16 plus 1, which is equals to 5 upon 16. So this is the value of the given trigonometric expression. So the correct option is option number B, 5 upon 16. Next question is, what is the value of tan 75 plus cot 75? We know that it can be written as 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3, which will be equals to 4. So the value of the given term is equals to 4. Therefore, B is the correct option here. You can see that all the questions from trigonometry are very simple. You just have to remember the basic formulas and the identities that are used in trigonometric expressions. Next question is, what is the value of cos 46, cos 47, cos 48, cos 49, cos 50, so on up to cos 135. Clearly in the given product, value is cos 90, which is 0. Hence, given product will be 0, because the series is from cos 46 to cos 135. So somewhere in middle there will be cos 90, and we know that the value for cos 90 is 0. Therefore, the whole product will be 0, or we can say that the value of whole product will be 0. So 0 is the correct option for this particular question. Next question is, if sin 2 theta is equals to cos 3 theta, where theta lies between 0 and pi by 2, then what is sin theta equals to? It is given that sin 2 theta is equals to cos 2 theta. So we can write it as sin 2 theta is equals to sin 90 minus 3 theta. So from here 2 theta will be equals to 90 minus 3 theta. So the value of theta will be 18 degree. Now we have to find sin theta, means we have to find sin 18 degree. Sin 18 degree will be equals to root 5 minus 1 upon 4. So the correct option for this question is option number B. Next question is, for r is greater than 0, f of r is the ratio of perimeter to area of a circle of radius r, then f of 1 plus f of 2 is equal to. We have to find the value for f of 1 plus f of 2. It is given that f of r is the ratio of perimeter to the area of a circle of radius r. It means that f of r is equals to 2 pi r upon pi r square. It means that f of r is equals to 2 upon r. Now let us find the value for f of 1 plus f of 2. It will be 2 by 1 plus 2 by 2, which is equal to 3. So the correct answer for this question is option number C, which is 3. Next question is, if f of x is equals to 3 to the power 1 plus x, then f of x into f of y into f of z is equal to. See, this question is also somewhat similar with the previous question. Here a function is given which is f of x is equal to 3 to the power 1 plus x. Therefore, f of x into f of y into f of z will be equals to 3 to the power 1 plus x into 3 to the power 1 plus y into 3 to the power 1 plus z, which will be equals to 3 to the power 3 plus x plus y plus z, which will be equals to f of x plus y plus z plus 2. So this is the correct answer for this question. Therefore, option number C is correct. Next question is the number of real roots for the equation x square plus 9 mod of x plus 20 is equals to 0 is. We have to find the number of real roots for the given equation. In this given equation, we can see that x square is greater than or equal to 0 and 9 into modulus of x will be also greater than or equal to 0. Hence, we can say that x square plus 9 modulus of x plus 20 is greater than 0. Therefore, x square plus 9 modulus x plus 20 is also greater than 0, where x belongs to R. So, the given equation has no solution. Therefore, the given equation has 0 solution. So, the correct option for this question is option number A. Next question is, if f of x is equal to sine of cos x, then f dash x is equal to. It is a very simple question. It is given that f of x is equal to sine x into cos x. Therefore, f dash x will be equals to cos into cos x minus sine x. By applying chain rule, f dash x will be equals to minus sine x into cos x into cos x. So this is the value for f dash x. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option number D. See, this was a very simple question. Next question is, the domain of the function f of x is equals to under root of 2 minus x into x minus 3 is. It is a very simple question. We just have to find the domain for the given function. So first let us understand this by making a diagram. The diagram of the given function will be this. For the existence of the given function, 2 minus x into x minus 3 should be greater than or equal to 0. It means that x minus 2 and x minus 3 is less than equals to 0. Therefore, we can say that x will belongs to 2 and 3. So, these are the values 2 and 3. So, correct option for this question is option number C. Next question is the solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equals to cos modulus of y minus x plus 1 is. It is a question from differential equation and we have to find the solution for the given equation. So it can be written as dy minus dx upon dx is equal to cos y minus x, which will be equal to dy minus x upon cos y minus x is equals to dx. Now integrating both the sides, it will be equals to integration of sec y minus x, because 1 by cos is sec, into dy minus x is equals to integration of dx. So on further solving, it will be log sec y minus x plus tan y minus x is equals to x plus c. On further solving, we will get sec y minus x plus tan y minus x is equal to c into e to the power x, taking log on the right hand side. So it can be written as e to the power x into sec y minus x minus tan y minus x is equals to c. Therefore, this is the correct solution for the given differential equation. So the correct option for this question is option number A. Next question is integration of 0 to pi by 2 modulus of sin x minus cos x dx is equal to. We have to find the value for this question. So let I is equal to the given expression. Then it can be solved as 0 to pi by 4 modulus of sin x minus cos x dx plus integration of pi by 4 to pi by 2 modulus of sin x minus cos x dx. On further solving, it will be equals to integration of 0 to pi by 4 cos x minus sin x dx plus integration of pi by 4 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x dx, which will be equals to sin x plus cos x (0 to pi by 4) plus minus cos x plus sin x pi by 4 to pi by 2. This is the limits. So on putting the limits, we will get 2 into root 2 minus 1. So this is the required expression for the given trigonometric expression. Therefore, the correct option is option number B. Next question is, if y is equal to a cos 2x plus b sin 2x, then given a equation of family of curve y, which is a cos 2x plus b sin 2x, it can be written as dy upon dx is equal to minus 2a into sin 2x plus 2b cos 2x by taking the first order derivative. Now by taking the second order derivative, d square y upon dx square will be equals to minus 4a cos 2x minus 4b sin 2x. On further solving, we will get d square y upon dx square is equal to minus 4 into y. Or we can write it as d square y upon dx square plus 4y is equals to 0. Therefore, The correct option for this question is option number D. Next question is, a given quantity of metal is to be cast into a half cylinder, that is with a rectangular base and semicircular ends. If the total surface area is to be minimum, then the ratio of the height of the half cylinder to the diameter of semicircular ends is. This is a very different question from all the questions that we are solving. Let radius of cylinder be r and height be h. Then we know that volume of cylinder is equals to 1 by 2 pi r square h. Let this be equation number 1. Now surface area of half of cylinder will be equal to, see it is denoted by s, so s is equals to 2r into h plus pi r h plus pi r square. So putting the values, s will be equals to 4v upon pi r plus pi into 2v upon pi r plus pi r square. From equation 1 we will have RH is equal to 2v upon pi r. So now taking its first order derivative, it will be ds upon dr is equal to minus 4v upon pi r square minus 2v upon r square plus 2 pi r is equals to 0. On further solving, 2 pi r will be equals to 4v upon pi r square plus 2v upon r square is equal to h upon 2r, because we know that rh is equal to 2v upon pi r, and this will be equals to pi upon pi plus 2. On further solving, 2 pi r will be equals to 4 pi r square h upon 2 pi r square plus 2 by r square into 1 by 2 pi r square h. This is the value for surface area of half of the cylinder. Therefore, we can say that pi is a ratio consisting of pi is to pi plus 2. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option number A. Next question is, integral of 0 to pi by 2 e to the power sin x into cos x dx is equal to. We have to find the value for the given integration term. Therefore, let I is equal to integral of 0 to pi by 2 e to the power sin x into cos x dx. Now put sin x is equals to t, then cos x dx is equals to dt. So on putting the values, I will be equals to integration of 0 to 1 et dt. On further solving, it will be I is equals to e to the power t, and the limits are 0 to 1. So on putting the limits, the value of I will be equals to e minus 1. So the correct option for this question is option number B, which is e minus 1. You can see all the questions are extremely simple. Next question is, if f of x is equals to x minus 2 upon x plus 2, where x is not equal to minus 2, then what is f inverse x equal to? We know that f of x is equals to x minus 2 upon x plus 2. Therefore, replacing x by f inverse x, we get f of f inverse x is equals to f inverse x minus 2 upon f inverse x plus 2. On further solving, it can be written as x into f inverse x plus 2x is equal to f inverse x minus 2. Therefore, f inverse x will be equals to 2 into mod of x plus 1 upon 1 minus x. So this is the value for f inverse x. Therefore, option number D is correct for this question, which says 2 into mod of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Next question is, what is integration of log of x square dx equal to? Since we have to find its integration, therefore let I is equals to integration of log x square dx. On further solving, I will be equals to 2 into integration of log x dx by applying the integration by parts. Then I will be equals to 2 into log x into x minus integration of 1 upon x into x dx. Further, it will be equals to I is equals to 2 into x log x minus x plus c. So this is the correct value for the given trigonometric expression. Therefore, the correct answer is option number A here, which is 2x log x minus 2x plus c. Next question is, the minimum distance from the point 4, 2 to y square is equals to 8x is equal to. Since there is y square is equal to 8x, means it is the equation for parabola. So first let us draw the required diagram for this question. It is a parabola, so it will be the required diagram. And we can say that this is y square is equal to 8x. Also there is a point which is, this is Q and this is P, and the point is 4, 2. I hope the diagram is clear to you. We know that the minimum distance will occur along the normal to the parabola passing through 4 and 2. So, normal to parabola at point Q, which will be am square and minus 2am, where a is equal to 2 will be y is equals to mx minus 2 into m minus 2 into m cube. This will be the normal to the parabola at point Q. Let this be equation number 1. We know that this normal passes through the point 4 and 2. So putting the values here of x and y, we will get 2 is equals to 4m minus 2m cube. So m cube will be equals to minus 1. So we can say that m will be equals to minus 1. Hence the point theta 2 comma minus 1 square and minus 2 into minus 1. So we can say that the points are theta 2 comma 4. Therefore, PQ will be equals to, which is the imaginary line in our diagram, PQ will be equals to 2 into root 2. So the correct answer for this question is 2 root 2. Therefore, option number B is correct for this question. Next question is, the differential equation of the system of circles touching the y-axis at the origin is. See, this is a very interesting question. It is from the differential equation, and it also says that there is system of circles touching the y-axis. So first let us understand the diagram for this. A circle is touching the origin at y-axis. This is the origin, which is O, and the center for this circle will be alpha and 0. We know that the equation of family of circle touching y-axis at origin is given by x minus alpha whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to a square. So putting the values here, we will get x square plus y square minus 2 alpha x is equal to 0. So further it will be x plus y square upon x minus 2 alpha is equal to 0. Let this be equation number 1. Now differentiating it once, we get 1 plus x into 2y dy by dx minus y square upon x square is equal to 0. Further solving it, it will be equals to x square minus y square plus 2xy into dy by dx is equal to 0. So this is the required equation for the given differential equation. Therefore, we can say that the correct option is option number C, which is x square minus y square plus 2xy into dy by dx is equal to 0. So I hope this question is clear to you. Whenever a question comes from differential equation, you just have to simply solve the differential equation. Next question is, consider the following in respect of the differential equation: d square y upon dx square plus 2 into dy upon dx square plus 9x is equal to x. Statements are: the degree of the differential equation is 1 and the order of the differential equation is 2. Which one of the above statements is or are correct? It is a question from differential equation. In the given differential equation, highest order differential coefficient is d square y upon dx square. So we can say that the order of this differential equation is 2. And differential equation, power of d square y upon dx square is 1. Therefore, we can say that degree here is 1. So the correct option is that both the statements are correct, because statement 1 says degree is 1 and statement 2 says order is 2. Therefore, both the statements are correct. So option number C is correct for this question. Next question is, if A, B and C are 3 events, then what is the probability that at least 2 of these events occur together? See, this is a question which is a combination of probability and sets. So first let us make the 3 sets. Let this be the 3 sets and their name is A, B and C. You can see that this is the intersection of A, B and C, means this is the common part in 3 of them. So now probability of simultaneous occurrence of at least 2 events will be P of A intersection B plus P of B intersection C plus P of A intersection C minus 2P into A intersection B intersection C. Therefore, option number C is the correct for this question. See, it was this simple. You just have to understand the given events and then you have to find the probability of the given question. Next question is, if two variables x and y are independent, then what is the correlation coefficient between them? See, this question does not require a pen to solve. It is given that x and y are independent. Since x and y are independent, their correlation coefficient must be equal to 0. This is a concept. So, the answer for this question is option number C, which is 0. Next question is, two independent events A and B are such that P of A union B is equals to 2 by 3 and P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 6. If P of B is less than P of A, then what is P of B equals to? This is a question that comes from sets and it is given that A and B are independent events. So since A and B are two independent events, it means that P of A intersection B is equals to P of A into P of B, and P of A intersection B is given, which is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is equals to P of A into P of B. Let this be equation number 1. Now we know that P of A union B is equals to 2 by 3. It is given, and there is a formula in sets which is P of A union B is equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So putting the values, it will be 2 by 3 is equal to P of A plus P of B minus 1 by 6. Therefore, P of A plus P of B will be equal to 5 by 6. Let this be equation number 2. You can see that now we have got the values for P of A plus P of B and P of A into P of B. So from equation 1 and 2, we can say that P of B will be equals to 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Now, out of all these questions, we will choose 1 by 3 because it is given that P of B is less than P of A. Therefore, option number B is correct, which is 1 by 3. Next question is, the mean of 100 observations is 50 and the standard deviation is 10. If 5 is subtracted from each observation and then it is divided by 4, then what will be the new mean and the new standard deviation respectively? First, let us write the given values here. See, this question is very important and this type of questions frequently comes in exam. So understand it carefully. According to question, n is equals to 100 and x dash is equal to 50 and standard deviation is equals to 10. We have to find the new mean, so we can write x dash is equals to summation of x dash I upon n, which will be equals to summation of xi minus 5 upon 4 upon n. On further solving, it will 1 by 4 summation of x dash I upon n minus 5, which will be equals to 1 by 4 into 50 minus 5, which gives 11.25. Now we have the value for x dash. Now let us find the new standard deviation, which will be sigma dash is equal to sigma into xi minus 5 upon 4, which gives 1 by 4 sigma xi minus 5, which is equals to 1 by 4 sigma xi. So further solving, it will be 1 by 4 into 10, which is equals to 2.5. So the value for new mean is 11.25 and the value for new standard deviation is 2.5. Therefore, the correct option here is option number C. Next question is, if two fair dice are rolled, then what is the conditional probability that the first dice lands on the 6 given that the sum of the numbers on the dice is 8? See, this is a question from probability and there is a concept of conditional probability. So first, let us see that how many number of total cases are there. So total cases according to question are 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3 and 6, 2. These are the total cases. Out of this, the favorable case according to the question is 6, 2. Hence, the required probability will be equals to 1 upon 5. You can see the total number of cases are 5 and the favorable case is 1. So, the probability here is 1 upon 5. Therefore, the correct option is option number C. All the questions from probability are very simple. I hope you understood all the questions carefully. Keep learning more and keep scoring higher. Here is a question. Two symmetric dice flipped with each dice having two sides painted red, two painted black, one painted yellow and the other painted white. What is the probability that both land on the same color? It is a question that comes from probability. And question says about two symmetric dice. We know that sides of dice can be R and R, which is if two sides are painted red. Then B and B, which is for if two sides are painted black. Then Y and W, because one side is painted yellow and the other is painted white. Now you can see that total cases here are, since there are two dice, so total cases will be 6 into 6, which is equal to 36. And favorable cases according to the question are 2C1 into 2C1 plus 2C1 into 2C1 plus 1C1 into 1C1 plus 1C1 into 1C1, which is equals to 10. Therefore, the required probability will be favorable cases upon the total cases. Total cases are 36, so it will be 5 upon 18. So, the required probability that both land on the same color will be 5 upon 18. Therefore, option number C is correct for the given question. Next question is, there are n socks in a drawer of which 3 socks are red. If 2 of the socks are chosen randomly and the probability that both selected socks are red is 1 by 2, then what is the value of n? In this question again we have to find the value of n, and it comes from the probability part. It is given that out of n socks, 3 socks are red. Now 2 socks are selected, then the probability that both socks will be red. See, out of 3 socks, 2 socks are selected, and out of n socks, if 2 will be selected, then this will be the required probability that both the socks are red. And it is given that 3C2 upon nC2 is equals to 1 by 2. It is given that the probability is 1 by 2. So it will be nC2 is equals to 6. From here we can get the value of n, which will be 4. So the correct option for this question is option number B. See, it is very simple question. It does not require more than 5 seconds to solve it. Next question is, 2 cards are chosen at random from a deck of 52 playing cards. What is the probability that both of them have the same value? Again, the question is from probability. So first, let us see total number of cards. Total number of cards is 52. Therefore, total number of ways of selecting 2 cards from 52 cards will be 52C2. We are selecting 2 cards from 52 cards. This is the total number of ways. And the favorable cases will be equal to 13 into 4C2. Therefore, the required probability will be 13 into 4C2 upon 52C2, which will be equals to 1 upon 17. So, this is the required probability that both of them will have the same value. Therefore, the correct option here is option number A. Next question is, in 8 throws of a die, 5 or 6 is considered a success. The mean and standard deviation of total number of successes is respectively given by. This is a question from statistics. The given values are n is equals to 8, p is equals to 2 by 6, which is equals to 1 by 3, and q will be equals to 2 by 3. We know that mean is equals to n into p. Therefore, 8 into 1 by 3. So, the mean will be 8 by 3. And variance is equal to n into pq, which will be equals to 8 into 1 by 3 into 2 by 3, which gives 16 upon 9. This is the value for variance and this is the value for mean. Now, we have to find the standard deviation. So, standard deviation will be equal to 4 by 3. So, the correct option for this question is option number B, 8 by 3, 4 by 3. Next question is, A and B are the two events such that A dash and B dash are mutually exclusive. If P of A is 0.5 and P of B is 0.6, then what is the value of P of A by B? See, it is in the form of conditional probability, means conditional probability will be used here. In the question it is given that A dash and B dash or A complement and B complement are mutually exclusive. It means that P of A complement intersection B complement will be equals to 0 according to the question. And the values are given. P of A is equals to 0.5. It means that P of A complement will be equals to 0.5. P of B is given, which is 0.6. It means that P of B complement will be 0.6. Now, P of A by B will be equals to P of A intersection B upon P of B by using the conditional probability. So it can be further written as 1 minus P of A complement union B complement upon P of B. Therefore, it will be equals to 1 minus P of A complement plus P of B complement upon P of B. Now putting the values, we will get 1 minus 0.9 upon 0.6, which is equals to 1 by 6. So this is the value for P of A by B. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option number B, which is 1 by 6. Next question is, consider the following statements. The algebraic sum of the deviations of a set of values from their arithmetic mean is always 0. And the second statement is, arithmetic mean is greater than median and median is greater than mode for a symmetric distribution. Which of the following statements is or are correct? So we have to find that from this two statement, which statement is correct. So first let us understand this symmetric distribution with the help of example. So let us draw a diagram here. Since it is a symmetric distribution, the diagram will be this. And we know that mean is x bar, which is equals to summation of xi upon n. So it will be summation of xi minus x bar, which is equals to summation of xi minus summation of x dash. So it will be equals to nx dash minus nx dash, which is equals to 0. Means the mean is 0. And we know that for symmetric distributions, mean is equal to median and median is equal to mode. Means mean, median and mode all are equal for symmetric distribution. Therefore, we can say that only statement 1 is correct, which says that the sum of deviations of a set of values from arithmetic mean is always 0. And statement 2 says that mean is greater than median. No, we know that for symmetric distribution, mean, median and mode are equal. Therefore, the correct option for this question is 1 only, which is option number A. Next question is, let the correlation coefficient between x and y be 0.6. Random variables z and w are defined as z is equals to x plus 5 and w is equals to y upon 3. What is the correlation coefficient between z and w? This is a very different question, and question related to this always comes in exam. It came back in 2017. We know that correlation coefficient r z comma w is equal to r x comma plus 5 by y by 3. According to the values given in question, correlation of coefficient is equal to r z comma w is equal to r x plus 5 comma y by 3, because the value of z is x plus 5 and w is y by 3. I hope it is clear up to this step. And we know that it will be equals to r of x comma y by 3, because correlation coefficient is independent of the origin. It means that it will be equals to x comma y. Since correlation coefficient is independent of the scale, then it will be equals to 0.6. So the correct option for this question is 0.6. 6, which is option number D. Next question is, if all the natural numbers between 1 and 20 are multiplied by 3, then what is the variance of the resulting series? See, we have to find the variance of the resulting series. We know that variance is the square of standard deviation. And the observations here will be 3, 6, 9, 12, so on up to 60. And we know that variance is standard deviation square, means sigma square. It is given by summation of xi square upon n minus summation of xi upon n whole square. Now putting the values, we will get 9 into 20 into 21 into 41 upon 6 upon 20 minus 3 into 20 into 21 by 2 upon 20 whole square. On further solving, it will be equals to 63.41 upon 2 minus 63 by 2 whole square, which will be equals to 63.19 upon 4, which gives 1197 upon 4, which is equals to 299.25. So the value for the variance for the resulting series is 299.25. So the correct option here is option number C. Next question is, what is the probability that an interior point in a circle is closer to the center than the circumference? First, let us make the required diagram for this question. This is the center of the circle. This will be the radius and this will be r by 2. According to question, interior point in a circle is closer to the center than to the circumference. We have to find what is the probability for that. So let the radius be r, then probability will be pi r by 2 square upon pi r square. We know that area of circle is pi r square, and here radius is r, and in the small circle radius is r by 2. So the required probability is 1 upon 4. Therefore the correct option for this question is option number A. You can see that this type of questions are very simple. Next question is, if A and B are the two events, then what is the probability of occurrence of either event A or either event B? We know that whenever there comes either A or B, it means there is intersection. So probability of occurrence of either event A or event B is P of A union B. A union B means it is either in event A or in event B. So the correct option here is option number B, which is P of A union B. Next question is, the centroid of the triangle with vertices A 2 minus 3 and 3, B 5 minus 3 and minus 4, and C 2 minus 3 and minus 2 is the point. We have to find the point for the centroid. The vertices are given, which is A, B and C. Therefore, centroid will be equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Again y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, and z1 plus z2 plus z3 upon 3. This is the formula for centroid. So putting the values here from the given points, we will get 2 plus 5 plus 2 upon 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 upon 3, and 3 minus 4 minus 2 upon 3. So on further solving it, the points will be 3, minus 3 and minus 1. So these are the points for the centroid. Therefore the correct option is option number B, 3, minus 3 and minus 1. Next question is, what is the radius of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus 8y minus 10z plus 1 is equal to 0. It is given equation for sphere. We have to find the radius for the given sphere. So further, this equation can be written as x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 9 plus y square plus 8y plus 16 minus 16 plus z square minus 10z plus 25 minus 25 plus 1 is equal to 0, which will be equals to x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square plus z minus 5 whole square is equal to 49. We have separated the variable terms and the number. Therefore, we can say that radius of the given sphere will be 7. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option number C, which is 7. This is the correct radius for the given sphere. Next question is the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the planes 2x plus y plus 2z is equals to 9 and 4x minus 5y minus 4z is equals to 1. And the point 3 to 1 is, so we have to find the equation for the given plane. We know that the family of the plane passing through the line of intersection of planes is, according to the equation, it will be 2x plus y plus 2z minus 9 plus lambda into 4x minus 5y minus 4z minus 1 is equal to 0. Let this be equation number 1. This is the family of plane passing through the line of intersection of planes. We know that this plane passes through the point 3, 2 and 1. It is given in the question. Therefore, we can say that lambda will be 1 by 3. Hence, the required equation of plane will be 2x plus y plus 2z minus 9 plus 1 by 3 into 4x minus 5y minus 4z minus 1 is equals to 0. It can be further written as 10x minus 2y plus 2z is equal to 28. So this is the required equation of the given plane. Therefore, the correct option for this answer is option number A. Moving on to the next question. The next question is the distance between the parallel planes 4x minus 2y plus 4z plus 9 is equal to 0 and 8x minus 4y plus 8z plus 21 is equal to 0 is. We have to find the distance between the given planes. Given equation of planes are here 4x minus 2y plus 4z plus 9 is equals to 0 and 8x minus 4z plus 8z plus 21 is equals to 0. Therefore, the distance between the parallel planes will be, there is a formula to find the distance between parallel planes and the formula is modulus of d1 minus d2 upon under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now, in the first equation, if we multiply by 2, it will be equals to 8x minus 4y plus 8z plus 18 is equals to 0 and the second equation is already given. You can see that 8x is common, minus 4y is common, 8z is common, but only the digit is different, which is 21 and 18. So now we will put the values according to this two equation. Let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. So the distance between parallel lines will be mod of 18 minus 21 upon under root of 64 plus 16 plus 64, which will be equals to 3 upon under root of 144, which will be equals to 3 upon 12, which gives 1 by 4. So this is the distance between the parallel planes. So the correct option here is option number A, which is 1 by 4. Next question is, what are the direction cosines of z-axis? We know that the direction cosines of z-axis are cos 90, and cos 0. It means that cos 90 is 0, cos 90 is again 0, and cos 0 is 1. So these are the direction cosines for z-axis. Therefore, option number D is correct for this question. Next question is, if A vector is equals to I cap minus 2j cap plus 5k cap and B vector is equals to 2I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap, then what is mode of B vector minus A vector into mode of 3A vector plus B vector equal to? So first let us find mode of B vector minus A vector. So B vector minus A vector will be equal to 2 minus 1 into I cap plus 1 plus 2 into j cap plus minus 3 minus 5 into k cap, which will be equals to I cap plus 3j cap minus 8k cap. Now let us find the value for 3 into A vector plus B vector. So 3 into A vector plus B vector will be equals to 3 into I cap minus 2j cap plus 5k cap plus B vector is 2I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap. On further solving, it will be equals to 3 plus 2 I cap plus minus 6 plus 1 j cap plus 15 minus 3 k cap, which will be equals to 5 I cap minus 5 j cap plus 12 k cap. Now in the question we have to find the dot product of both these terms. So B vector minus A vector dot product 3A vector plus B vector will be equals to I cap plus 3j cap minus 8k cap dot product 5I cap minus 5j cap plus 12k cap. On further solving, it will be equals to 5 minus 15 minus 96, which is equals to minus 106. So this is the value for the given expression. So the correct option here is option number B, which is 106, and it is negative. Next question is, if the position vectors of points A and B are 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap and 2I cap plus 4j cap minus 3k cap respectively, then what is the length of AB vector? It is given that position vector of A and B are OA vector is equals to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap and OB vector is equals to 2I cap plus 4j cap minus 3k cap. Since these are the position vectors, therefore we can say that AB vector is equals to OB vector minus OA vector. So putting the values here, we will get 2I cap plus 4j cap minus 3k cap minus 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. On further solving, it will be minus I cap plus 6j cap plus 4k cap. Now this is the value of AB vector. Therefore length of AB vector will be equals to under root of minus 1 square plus 6 square plus minus 4 square, which is equals to 1 plus 36 plus 16. which will be equals to under root of 53. So this is the correct answer. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option number D. See, this type of questions are very simple and question related to this always comes in exam. So you must know the basic formulas for the factors. Next question is, in a right angle triangle ABC, hypotenuse AC is equals to P, then what is AB vector into AC vector plus BC vector into BA vector plus CA vector into CB vector equal to? Question says about right angle triangle. It means that, let us first draw the diagram. Let this be the right angle triangle ABC. But according to question, hypotenuse is AC. So hypotenuse must be AC. So this will be B. According to question, this is the right diagram. Now, given that AC is equals to P, it means that value of AC is P. And we have to find the value for AB vector into AC vector plus BC vector into BA vector plus CA vector into CB vector. It will be equals to AC vector into AB vector plus BC vector plus BC vector into BA vector. Further solving, it will be equals to AC vector into AC vector plus 0 into BC vector perpendicular to BA vector. You can see that BC is perpendicular to BA. So further solving, it will be modulus of AC vector whole square. And we know that the value of AC is P. So it will be P square. So the correct option for this question is option number A, which is P square. Next question is, the sine of the angle between vectors A vector is equal to 2i cap minus 6j cap minus 3k cap and B vector is equal to 4i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. We have to find the sine of the angle between the given vectors. Therefore, first let us find A vector dot product B vector. It will be equals to 2i cap minus 6j cap minus 3k cap dot product 4i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. And we know that modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector into cos theta is equal to minus 7. So cos theta will be equals to minus 7 upon 7 into root 26, which will be equals to minus 1 upon root 26. Now, if cos theta is minus 1 upon root 26, sin theta will be under root of 1 minus cos square theta. So putting the values, we will get sin theta is equals to 5 upon under root 26. And we know that sin theta is the angle between the vectors and we have to find it. So in this way, we have found the value of sin theta, which is 5 upon under root 26. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option number B. Next question is, what is the value of lambda for which the vectors 3i cap plus 4j cap minus k cap and minus 2i cap plus lambda j cap plus 10k cap are perpendicular? It is a very simple question and continuously so many questions comes from vectors. So be prepared well for the vectors part. We know that for the perpendicular vectors, dot product is 0. Therefore, dot product of these vectors will be 0. So 3i cap plus 4j cap minus k cap dot product minus 2i cap plus lambda j cap plus 10k cap is equal to 0. Now, further solving it, it will be minus 6 plus 4 lambda minus 10 is equals to 0. So value of lambda will be 4. So correct option for this question is option number D. See, the main concept here was that for a perpendicular vectors, dot product is 0. Next question is, what is the derivative of sec square tan inverse x with respect to x? Since we have to find the derivative, so let y is equals to sec square into tan inverse x. Now let tan inverse x is equal to theta. Therefore, x will be equals to tan theta. So, the equation will be y is equal to sec square theta. And we know that sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. So, we can write y is equal to 1 plus x square, because we know that x is tan theta. So, tan square theta will be x square. So, dy by dx will be equals to 2x. So, the correct option for this question is option number A, which is 2x. See, this kind of questions are very simple. Next question is, if f of x is equal to log base 10 1 plus x, then what is the value of 4f of 4 is equal to 5f of 1 minus log base 10 2 equal to. A function is given which is f of x log base 10 1 plus x, and we have to find the value for this particular expression. So the value for this will be, see, it can be written as 4 log base 10 power 5 plus 5 log base 10 power 2 minus log base 10 2. Further, it can be written as 4 log base 10 5 plus log base 10 power 2. So it will be 4 into log base 10 10. We know that log base 10 10 will be 1. So answer will be 4. So the correct value for the given expression is 4. Therefore option number D is the correct option here. Next question is, a function f defined by f of x is equals to log of under root x square plus 1 minus x is. We have to find a function which is defined by, means we have to find that which of the following option is correct for the given functions. F of x is given, so f of minus x will be equals to log of under root x square plus 1 plus x. So taking log here, since log is present, so it will be log of x square plus 1 minus x square upon under root of x square plus 1 minus x. Further solving, it will be equals to log of 1 upon under root x square plus 1 minus x. On further solving, it can be minus of log under root x square plus 1 minus x. So we can say that f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x, because f of x is log under root x square plus 1 minus x, and f of minus x is minus of f of x. So we can say that f of x is a odd function. Since there is negative sign, so it is a odd function. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option number B. Next question is, the domain of the function f defined by f of x is equal to log base x 10 is. We have to find the domain for the given function. So it can be further written as log base 10 10 upon log base x 10. It means that f of x will be equals to 1 upon log base 10 x. So it is clear that x is greater than 0 and log base 10 x is not equals to 0, and x will be greater than 0 but excluding the part where x will be equals to 1. Therefore, the correct option here is option number D, which is x is greater than 0 and excluding x is equals to 1, because we know that x is greater than 0 is the correct situation here. Next question is, limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos cube 4x upon x square is equal to. We have to find the value for the given expression. This is a question from limits and derivatives, and we can see that the question is in 0 by 0 form. So by using L'Hospital's rule here, it will be equals to limit x tends to 0 minus 3 cos square 4x into minus sine 4x into 4 upon 2x. Further solving, it will be equals to limit x tends to 0 12 cos square 4x into sine 4x upon 4x by 2. 2x can be written as 4x by 2. On further solving, it will be equals to limit x tends to 0 24 cos square 4x into sine 4x upon 4x, which gives 24. So the correct value for this question is 24. Hence, we can say that option C is the correct option for this question. Next question is, what is the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus x by y is equal to 0? It is a question from differential equation and we have to find the general solution for the given equation. So this equation can be also written as dy by dx is equal to minus x upon y. Now by variable separable, it will be y dy plus x dx is equal to 0. So it will be y square upon 2 plus x square upon 2 plus c is equal to 0. Or we can say that x square plus y square is equals to c. So this is the general solution of the given equation. So the correct option is option number A. Whenever the question comes from differential equation, you just have to write the equation and you have to solve it, and you will get the required solution for the question. Next question is the value of k which makes f of x is equals to sin x when x is not equals to 0 and f of x is equal to k when x is equal to 0. Continuous at x is equal to 0 is, for the given function f of x, we have to find the value of k. And it is given that it is continuous at x is equal to 0. It means that limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. Limit x tends to 0, sin x is equals to k. It means that we can say k will be equals to 0. Since it is continuous, therefore limit x tends to 0, f of x will be f of 0, and limit x tends to 0, sin x will be k. And we know that whenever a function is continuous, then left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Therefore, k is equals to 0. So the correct option for this question is option number D. Next question is, what is the maximum value of a square x plus b square y where xy is equal to c square? It is given that xy is equal to c square and we have to find the maximum value for a square x plus b square y. We know that for any two terms, a square x and b square y, arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean. Therefore, we can say that a square x plus b square y upon 2 is greater than or equal to under root of a square x into b square y, because a square x and b square y are the two terms here. So further it will be a square x plus b square y is greater than or equal to 2 into a square b square into c square. On further solving, it can be written as a square x plus b square y is greater than or equal to 2abc. So this is the minimum value for a square x plus b square y. So the correct option is 2abc. I hope this question is clear to you. Next question is, what is integration of e to the power x log a dx equal to? We have to just find the integration of the given term. So it will be equals to integration of e to the power log a power x. We know that n log m is log m power n. So further solving, it will be integration of a to the power x dx, and integration of a to the power x dx is a to the power x upon log a plus c, which is the required answer for this question. So the correct option here is option number A, which is a to the power x upon log of a plus c. You can see that this type of questions are extremely simple. All you have to do is you have to remember the basic concepts of log. Next question is, what is the area of one of the loops between the curve y is equal to c sin x and x axis? See, there are two curves which is y is equal to c sin x and x axis. So first let us understand the question by a proper diagram. So the diagram will be, since there are two curves, so it should be in this way. We can say that this is for y is equal to c sin x. Here there will be pi by 2, pi, and let this be c. And this is the area of one of the loops between the curve. So I hope now that this figure is clear to you. We have to find the area. So the required area will be equals to integration of 0 to pi. You can see that the area is from 0 to pi. Therefore the limits are 0 to pi. C sin x dx, because y is equal to c sin x. So further solving, it will be minus c into cos x, and the limits are 0 to pi. On putting limits, it will be minus c into minus 1, which will be minus 2c. Minus of minus 2c is plus 2c. So the area of one of the loops between the curve is 2c. Therefore the correct option here is option number B, which is 2c. Next question is, if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to under root of 2 cos theta, then what is cos theta minus sin theta equal to? We have to find the value for cos theta minus sin theta. The given equation can be also written as sin theta is equals to under root of 2 minus 1 into cos theta. Let this be equation number 1. We know that cos theta minus sin theta will be equal to sin theta upon under root 2 minus 1 minus sin theta, which will be equals to sin theta into 1 minus under root 2 minus 1 upon under root 2 minus 1. On further solving, it will be equals to 2 minus root 2 upon root 2 minus 1 into sin theta. Therefore, we can say that cos theta minus sin theta is equals to under root 2 sin theta. So this is the required value for the given expression. So the correct option here will be option number C, which is under root 2 sin theta. Next question is, in a circle of diameter 44 centimeter, the length of a chord is 22 centimeter. What is the length of minor arc of the chord? Let us first make the diagram for the given question. Let this be the circle. Let this be the chord. This will be the center, and this will be the triangle formed here. So the center is 0 and the chord is AB. Now we have assumed that the chord is AB, means let the given chord be AB. Given diameter of circle is 44 centimeter. It means that radius will be 44 upon 2. So radius will be 22 centimeter. So I can write it as 22, 22 and 22. And now we can say that the length of the chord is 22. And from this figure, it is clear that triangle OAB is a equilateral triangle. And we know that in equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal and the measure of the angle is 60 degree. So we can say that angle OAB is 60 degree. Angle AOB is 60 degree. Now we have to find the length of the arc AB. So length of arc AB, which is minor, will be equals to 1 by 6 into perimeter of the circle, which will be equals to 1 by 6 into pi r square, or it can be written as 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 44. R square is 44. It will be equals to 484 upon 21. So this is the required length of the minor arc. So the correct option will be option number A, 484 upon 21. I hope this question is clear to you. Next question is, if sine theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 and tan theta is equals to 1 upon root 3, then in which quadrant does theta lie? You can see that sine theta is negative and tan theta is positive. Since sine theta is negative and tan theta is positive, it means that theta lies in third quadrant, because in third quadrant sine is negative and tan is positive. So the correct option for this question is option number C, which is third. Next question is, how many 3-digit even numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 when repetition of digits is not allowed? You can see that the digits will be in this way: 3, 4, 2, and for 3 there will be 2 digits, for 4 there will be 4 and 2 digits, for 2 there will be 4 and 2 digits, and the remaining digits are 4. Because the question says that repetitions of digit is not allowed. Therefore, the total number of 3 digits here, which is even numbers, will be 3 into 4 into 2, which is 24. So this is the required answer for this question. It was a very basic question. So the correct option here is option number C. Next question is, the angle of elevation of a tower of height h from a point A due south of it is x, and from a point B due east of A is y. If AB is equal to z, then which one of the following is correct? In the question there is an angle of elevation. So the angle of elevation will be like this. Let this be the angle of elevation, which is x, and the height is h. This will be x and this will be a. Now this is for when a point due south of it is x. So we have made the diagram for this particular situation. Now there is another situation, which is from a point B due east of A is y. So for a point B due east of y, it will be B, and it is y, means angle of elevation is y. Height is same, which is h, and this will be y. So further, the final output will be in such a way. This is B, this is O, this is X, Y, A, and this will be Z. And this is the angle of elevation, which is Y. I hope this diagram is clear to you. And this is the point A, which is very important for this question. Now, we know that tan x will be equals to h upon x. It means that x will be equals to h cot x, and similarly y will be equals to h cot y. Now in triangle AOB we have OB square minus OA square is equal to AB square. Now putting the values we will get h square cot square y minus h square cot square x is equal to z square, which will be equals to h square cot square y minus cot square x is equal to z square. So the correct option among all the options is option number A. I hope this question is clear to you. There was nothing difficult in this question. You just have to understand the angle of elevation by forming it, and then you have to solve it. Next question is from a deck of cards. Cards are taken out with replacement. What is the probability that the 14th card taken out is an S? It is a question from probability. The required probability will be 1 to the power 13 into 4 by 52, because total number of cards is 52 and we have to find that 14th card taken out will be an S. So it will be equals to 1 upon 13. So the required probability is option number D, 1 upon 13 here. See, this type of questions are not expected, means this is very simple question. Next question is, if A and B are the two events such that P of A is equal to 0.5, P of B is equal to 0.6 and P of A intersection B is equal to 0.4, then what is P of A union B equal to? There is a formula in sets which is P of A union B is equal to 1 minus P of A union B. So it will be 1 minus P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now putting the values, 1 minus 0.5 plus 0.6 minus 0.4, it will be equal to 1 minus 0.7, which is 0.3. So we can say that the value of P of A union B is equal to 0.3. The correct option here is option number D. Next question is, a problem is given to 3 students A, B and C whose probabilities of solving the problem are 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 respectively. What is the probability that the problem will be solved if they all solve the problem independently? It is a question from probability. And let E be the event that problem will be solved. Now the required probability, that is P of E, will be equals to 1 minus P of E to the power 1. So putting the values, it will be 1 minus 1 by 2, which is the probability for A. Similarly 1 minus 3 by 4, which is the probability for B, and 1 minus 1 by 4, which is the probability for C. So on further solving it, it will be 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 3 by 4, which will be equals to 1 minus 3 by 32. On further taking the LCM, it will be equals to 29 upon 32. So this is the required probability that the problem will be solved if they all solve the problem independently. So the correct option here is option number A, which is 29 upon 32. Next question is, a pair of fair dice is rolled. What is the probability that the second dice lands on a higher value than does the first? Again, the question is from probability. We know that n of s will be equals to 6 into 6, means the total cases will be 36, because there is a pair of dice which is rolled, and the favorable cases will be n of e will be 1 by 2 into 36 minus 6, which will be equals to 15. because it says that the second dice land on a higher value than the first. Therefore, the required probability will be the favorable cases, which is n upon e, upon the total number of cases, which is n upon s, n of s. So, the values will be 15 upon 36. It will be 5 upon 12. So, this is the required probability for the given question. Therefore, option number C is correct, which is 5 by 12. Next question is, a fair coin is tossed and an unbiased dice is rolled together. What is the probability of getting a 2 or 4 or 6 along with the head? Again, the question comes from probability. So, according to question, total cases will be equal to 2 into 6, which is 12. And the favorable cases of getting a 2 or 4 or 6 will be 1 into 3, which is 3. Therefore, the required probability will be favorable cases upon total cases. So, it will be 3 by 12. So, 1 by 4. So, this is the required probability for the given question. I hope it is clear to you. All the questions that comes from probability are very simple. Therefore, the correct option for this question is option number C, which is 1 by 4. I hope all the questions are clear to you and you have understood it properly. Every question requires the basic concepts, nothing else. Keep learning more and keep scoring high.